It's the parting shot that American intelligence has come to expect. Hammam Al-Balawi's suicide attack killed 7 CIA operatives at an American outpost in Khost, Afghanistan on December 30th. Now the double agent speaks from the grave.
This is a message to the enemies of the nation, namely the Jordanian intelligence and the CIA. Those who are defending God do not make any compromises when it comes to their religion. We hereby declare that we will never forget the blood of our Emir, Baitullah Mehsud. May his soul rest in peace. All the fighters who sought refuge with Baitullah Mehsud are entrusted with the duty to revenge him in the USA and outside it.
Al-Balawi's motivations are becoming clearer. His wife has described the U.S. invasion of Iraq and the Israeli war on Gaza as events that pushed him over the edge. A radicalizing transformation that nudged the man who once blogged about his frustrations to instead adopt violence. Al-Balawi, who worked for both Jordanian and U.S. intelligence, was an Arab by birth. His final tribute to Pakistan Taliban leader Baitullah Mehsud, a Pashtun, may further distress American officials, as it suggests the Pakistani Taliban has an even broader appeal that extends far beyond its tribal areas. Clayton Swisher, Al Jazeera.